In a lush green garden bloomed a vibrant array of flowers. Amongst them lived tiny creatures, aphids, tiny insects known for their pear-shaped bodies. One day, a new aphid named Pippin arrived. He was different from the others, for he was not content living on the sweet nectar of the flowers. Pippin yearned for something more, something that would make him stand out among his peers. One day, Pippin encountered a strange, tiny organism. It was a bacterium, who introduced itself as Reggie. Reggie offered Pippin a deal. I will give you a special power, the ability to produce a sweet, sugary substance that will make you the envy of all the aphids. Pippin, mesmerized by the offer, accepted. Soon, he was producing a sweet, sticky substance that attracted ants and bees, who helped him spread his sweet secret to more flowers. Pippin became the most popular aphid in the garden. However, Pippin's newfound fame came at a cost. The ants and bees, attracted by the sweet substance, began to harm the flowers, causing them to wilt and die. The garden, once lush and vibrant, started to wither. Seeing the destruction, Pippin felt a pang of guilt. He realized that his desire for popularity had led to the harm of the very flowers he once loved. He approached Reggie. I want to stop this, but I don't know how. Reggie, with a sigh, replied, the power I gave you was a gift, but it was also a responsibility. You must learn to balance your needs with the needs of others and the world around you. Pippin, filled with remorse, decided to change. He stopped producing the sweet substance and instead focused on nurturing the garden. The ants and bees, realizing their mistake, helped Pippin tend to the flowers, restoring the garden's beauty. From that day forward, Pippin became a symbol of balance and responsibility in the garden. He learned that every action has a consequence, and it is our responsibility to ensure those consequences are positive for all. And so, the garden thrived, a testament to the power of understanding and respect for the world around us. The lesson of Pippin and Reggie echoed through the garden, a reminder that every creature has a role to play, and it is our duty to ensure harmony in nature.